Hey guys, I'm about to dye my hair, so I figured I'd pull out the camera. Let's see. This is terrible. You know what, maybe I'll just get my tripod. I'm being late. Okay, this is kind of funny. I've never used this tripod. Can you see it? I've never used this tripod. The shirt does not look the cutest, but it's just an old Urban Outfitters shirt. So we're about to dye our hair over here. My sister's gone on a trip, so I'm left to my own devices. So that means that I bought hair stuff like, so before my sister even went to hair school, I've done my own hair forever, but I haven't done it in a while actually, because I've had her do it, and this is the color it currently is. And so what, my hair history. Maybe let me do it when I'm brushing my hair out. So my hair history is, this is blonde, and actually it looks good right now because I used purple shampoo a couple days ago. But usually I don't keep up on the purple shampoo with my like super blonde, and this isn't as blonde as we wanted to go just because I was going from like a red brown kind of color. So yeah, that's my hair history. But now I'm going from this color, which I would say, I don't know, is like a, I would say it's like a 9, maybe. I'm actually not a professional at all, so I don't even know the scale really. I just know like 10 is like the lightest, I think. And then, anyway, so this I have 8 NV. I have 7 NV2, but I think that's gonna be too dark. This is Natural Cool Blonde, so I'm gonna go for that, and I think I'm just gonna put it all over my hair. I was going to like leave out like money pieces, as my sister calls it, but I think I'm just gonna go over it all. And yeah, that's not been down the stairs like 80 times, so excuse me, I'm out of breath. But I got my bowl and my brush and gloves, because picking up my puppy tomorrow, I realized I don't want to have hair dyed hands. I'm using this, yeah, I'm using Mystic Divine, which I've never actually used. I got a ton of volume. They were both on clearance on Sally's.com, and I ordered them in the middle of quarantine. And you can see my roots. I did not know what I was going to do with my hair. I wanted to, I was thinking about going back to like my natural color, because whenever I have it back, I don't know, I just like it. But I figured, I don't know how to find a color that shade, so I just ordered these because I was going to do like the TikTok girl like hair with the, you know, blonde in the front and like darker blonde everywhere else. But I decided it's probably best that I don't, because I just never do my hair, so you'd never see it. It would always be up and then it would have like a stripe. That's what I figured. Thank you, Mother. This is what my mom sent us. But anyway, so I'm just gonna start going in, doing the, it did not focus on that at all, but we're doing that. Let's see, let me read double the developer, whatever we do here. It's all a mess in my bathroom right now. Squeezing it out. So developer, oh my god, that works perfectly. So I just use one of these, and then I use one of the other things. Wow, amazing that they do it like that, isn't it? And then you have the 6, so shake it. And then this is what it looks like. We're gonna add the whole thing into there, because that's what it says. So hopefully that's good. I'm gonna stir it. It's gonna take forever to stir, I know it. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's still a little bit lumpy, but I'm gonna try to get as much out as I can, but I don't know how that's gonna work. Let me raise you back up. So that's what we're gonna do. Now it's getting really warm in here. Anyway, let me make sure my hair is all brushed out. I'm gonna do the bottom half first, and then the top half, I guess. Let's see. I have my trusty clip, and she's been through a lot of hair transformations. And if you see my scalp up here, or scalp, I have an eczema flare up, so this is It's really nice to do my hair during it. It's gonna probably not feel the best, but whatever. My eczema actually on my scalp has been like, I only have like, it's on like my hairline only. I don't know why. You guys definitely don't care about my eczema. I will shut up, but it's only on my hairline. Anyway, okay. So we're just gonna start going in. All right, let's wish me luck. Should I start at the, I guess it doesn't matter what this color does it. I feel like my roots will still be a little bit darker just because I'm not using, I'm using 10 volume, which I don't think lifts anything. If I'm not mistaken. Whew. This stuff is strong for some reason. Yeah, I don't know, I'm just like, it was so stuck with my hair. All of quarantine, I didn't know what to do with it. I mean, we did dye it at the beginning. I think we dyed it this color, I believe. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe that was my sister's hair, I don't remember, honestly. But, yeah, I just kind of like, I've been sick of my hair. I want it either, I like it either really blonde or I like it like darker blonde if I'm gonna be blonde. And because I just can't, anything in between I can't take care of. Like if it's super blonde, and I do like a silvery, then that stays in a lot better than, I don't know, for some reason my hair gets brassier when it's like a little bit darker blonde. This video might be like a boring one because it's just me alone like doing my hair, and I'm like not one funny in general, but two, especially not like right now, I'm not in the funniest of moods just because I've been like tired all day. I did like a Chloe Ting workout thing yesterday, and ever since I've just been very tired. And well, today I'm just sore too from it, so that doesn't help. But yeah, I've been trying to work out more, so I need to get more carbs in or something because it's making me tired. I don't know. I don't in the kitchen. Okay, guys, literally the Lauv album, Modern, no, isn't it? It's like How I'm Feeling. I think that's what it is. It's the best album I think I've listened to in a very long time, besides like a Taylor Swift album, because those just are superior in their own lane. But you know, like truly, I've been listening to that album on nonstop. I listen to my like regular playlist, and even with new songs and stuff, and I'm just like, I don't know, I'm just not vibing with it. And so I put on the Modern, it's not Modern List, that's a song on there, but it's the How I'm Feeling album, and I'm just like, Jesus, that is literally, I don't know, it just makes me like, it's just all the vibes. I don't know why I keep saying vibes lately, but like, I don't know how to describe it. I guess like it just gives all the feels. But yeah, we're getting a dog tomorrow. Well, actually, probably when you're watching this, I'm going to be getting a dog, so you guys are the first to know. We're getting a Bernese Mountain Dog, and yeah, we are driving 2 hours to pick him up. And yeah, I'm just so excited. He's a little boy. We've picked a name. I think we've picked a name. I don't know. We're going through a couple, so I don't want to say it because I don't exactly know if we're doing it for sure. I'm really excited. Packed my bag. I'm doing a video on that as well, so I'll be vlogging it. And hopefully that will be up. I think that'll probably be up this weekend. If this gets up when it should be. I'm trying to figure out my upload schedule too. I don't know if I think I liked it at Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday. But I also liked before doing it every other day and just doing it that way. So I'm really I'm struggling to like figure it out because I'm also trying to figure out, I don't know, just with like timing and also like getting back to like my regular job, my store. I don't know. Because my eyes literally, maybe it's also because I just like cooked dinner and I was slicing onions, and that was making my eyes like water a lot today. And so I figured maybe like I'm thinking about it now and I'm just like, maybe that's why it's getting like this. Like usually my eyes do not get like this from hair dye. Or maybe it's also because I'm in a closed off room. No, I've done my hair. Shouldn't I have? Okay, I gotta wipe this off of my face because I do not want to have all of that. So this is what it looks like, okay? Tell me if I missed a spot, let me know. Did I miss a spot? probably. But I am going to set a timer for, let's read the box. What does it say? Processing. We're going to do 35 minutes. Set a timer for 35 minutes, please. It's time to shower. Let's see. Ooh. So, my roots still do look blonde. Or no, sorry, my roots still look dark. And the ends still look blonde, so I'm curious to see what that did, if anything. We shall see. Let's see. Okay guys, this is it wet, but I'm gonna dry it and you'll see it in the morning probably, but for you it's in 2 seconds, so like. Hey guys, this is the next day. Well, maybe 2 days later, because this was supposed to go up yesterday, but we were getting Puppy, who was over there sleeping. But I wanted to show you, this is what my hair looks like. It kind of turned out like, it didn't turn out bad, but it did not turn out what I wanted. It's like a darker blonde, but like my roots kind of just turned to like a lighter or a dark blonde kind of thing, or like a lighter brown, like less ashy than my natural color. But I actually don't mind it. Like, I do like it. It's just not what I wanted. I wanted it a little bit darker, but whatever. We'll figure it out. I also have to wash it again because I feel like once I wash it, like, a couple times, then I really see the true color and, like, the actual shine come through instead of, like, I don't know. I feel like the dye doesn't make it, like, see how I feel about her. But I did want to just show it to you in the video so that you could see like what exactly it does look like. So I'd say this wasn't like a fail, but it wasn't like a success. So yeah, because overall it did not really change, honestly. And yeah, I watched it yesterday and it's oily still, so that's nice. Oh, nice. But, yeah. Anyway, so stay tuned because my next video should be a vlog of us going and getting the dog, which, is super exciting. So, you will meet him in that video and everything like that. So stay tuned and subscribe down below if you're interested in that. And so this, usually my hair stuff's not usually like a fail like this because I usually have my sister do it. So, anyway, I'll talk to you later. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.